Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Nutrela Soya chunks. First, let's prepare them. You'll need to rehydrate the dry chunks properly. Take about 1 cup of soya chunks and soak them in 3 cups of hot water for approximately 15 minutes. This step is crucial as it makes them soft and ready to absorb all the delicious flavors you'll add later. After soaking, gently squeeze out all the excess water. Once your soya chunks are rehydrated, it's time to infuse them with flavor. Marinating is key here. Combine them with a few tablespoons of plain yogurt, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and your favorite spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Mix everything well and let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. This ensures every piece is packed with taste. Now for the cooking part. You can pan fry, stir fry, or even add these marinated chunks directly into your favorite curry. If pan frying, use a tablespoon of oil and cook them over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and develop a slightly crispy texture. This step brings out their best flavor and mouthfeel. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious Nutrela Soya chunks. Serve them hot alongside steamed rice, warm rotis, or as a protein-rich side dish with any meal. A sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves adds a lovely touch of freshness and color. These versatile and healthy chunks are a fantastic addition to your diet. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.